In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a giant in Capcut. By the end, you'll know how to pull off that fun, oversized effect using simple perspective and Capcut's built-in tools. Start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. This effect works best if you've already shot two clips, one close-up of your subject and one wide shot of the environment where the giant will appear. Keep your camera steady while filming, and try to match lighting and angles between the two clips so they blend more naturally later. Import both videos into the project. Place the wide, far view clip on the primary track. This will be your background and establishes the scene. Then add the near view clip above it on a higher track. This layering is key. The background sets the world, and the close-up clip becomes your subject that will scale to look massive. If the action needs to line up, roughly trim the clips now so the timing makes sense when you preview. Next, remove the background of the close-up clip. Select that clip, open the cutout or remove background tool, and let Capcut process the subject. Give it a moment. Once it's done, your subject should be isolated with the scene visible underneath. If the edges look harsh or there are small holes, use edge smoothing or refinement controls to soften transitions. Clean edges sell the illusion, especially around hair and hands. Now adjust the composite so it reads as a believable giant. With the isolated subject selected, scale it up until the size feels dramatically larger than the environment. Use position controls to anchor the subject to the ground plane in the wide shot. Lining up feet or shadows with the surface helps a lot. Nudge left or right until the perspective looks natural. If your subject looks too crisp compared to the background, add a touch of blur to match the depth of field and reduce sharpness slightly. Balance color and brightness so both clips share a similar tone. You can use basic adjustments like exposure, contrast, temperature, and saturation. If your version of Capcut offers a shadow option for cutouts, enable a subtle shadow beneath the feet to connect the subject to the scene. Finally, scrub through and make micro adjustments to scale and position to avoid drifting or clipping on camera moves. Play it back and check the edges, color match, and scale. Tweak until your brain accepts the illusion. That's it. Simple layering, a clean cutout, and thoughtful adjustments are all you need to become a giant in Capcut.